PLM CAD Utilities presence. Our ERP integrator integrates any desktop application with SAP S/4HANA. In this video, here we are going to demonstrate how our integration will work between Autodesk Vault to SAP S/4HANA. Before sending the data to SAP S/4HANA, go and check whether the products and bill of materials are there or not in SAP S/4HANA. Products and bill of materials are not there in ERP. Now we'll transfer the data to SAP S/4HANA by using ERP Integrator. The grid shows the products and bill of materials. For transferring the data, right-click on Parent Assembly, then select AV to ERP, and then select Send to SAP All Levels. The process is completed. Now, check the products and bill of materials are created or not in SAP S/4HANA. Bill of materials are created in SAP S/4HANA. Products are also created in SAP S/4HANA. The grid will look like everything green after the process is completed. This is how our integration will work to transfer the data from Autodesk Vault application to SAP S/4HANA. Thanks for watching.